Hey everybody, we're here and we want to share with you how to access our awesome and amazing lessons for activity time. So on your Launchpad, you need to find the superstar, the yellow star that says Manatee Activities. Everybody say it, Manatee Activities. Click on it and then you'll find your team. So far, it's Miss Kumite, Miss Best, and Miss Bergevin. Am I saying that right? And she is our new science teacher. Miss Halleck is up in Virginia, and Miss Bergevin is replacing her with some amazing energy. On this site, you'll find our lessons for the week, and below are cool Bitmoji selfies. So if you click on, there's nothing active. Click on there, you'll find our lessons. Once you go there, you will open up some really cool places to. Okay. So blah, 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 blah.